Good morning, afternoon, or evening, depending on the time you watch the video. In this presentation, we will announce about our integrated project called Pram. Our team is conformed by Lisette Sánchez Palacios, Marco Polo Trilla Álvarez, José Ángel Ordóñez Hernández, Carlos Eduardo Lozano González, and me, Josué Miguel Díaz Ara.
Description of project. The project was the construction of the prototype machine to word butter. The butter making process, which is very expensive. Understand for the use, it has the capacity to process from 20 to 30 liters.
Stage. Well, this project is divided in stage. Power system installation. Install an AC system for the process to power supply. The, bu- the budget for this process is the 2,965 and pesos.
Stage 2. In this second stage, a system is installed to control the process. The cost is 6,653.
Section 3. Gauge calibration. First the gauge control system of running issues. This section has a budget of 3,333 Mexican pesos.
Number 4, adequacy of the conveyor belt with a cost of 4,335.61 Mexican pesos.
Number 5, pneumatic system connection. 6,786.75 Mexican pesos.
Stage 6. Blade placement. Installation of metallic drive blades. The budget for this process is 3,716 Mexican pesos.
Stage number 7. Placing the drainer sensor. Cost 5,949.
Section 8. Assembly and aesthetics of the machine.
And finally, number 9, process visualization with a cost 25,338 pesos mexicanos. Be adding these values, we have a total amount of 61,286.26 Mexican pesos.
The structure of the machine. Number 1, base table, 55 centimeters wide, 200 centimeters long, and 50 centimeters high. Number 2, container, 30 liters capacity, 40 centimeters high, and 40 centimeters in diameter. Number 3, conveyor belt, 50 centimeters wide, 150 centimeters long approximately.
Number 4, a mixer. It is in the mixing system on the blade. Number 5, a control panel. It is manual control for the user. And number 6, connection box. It is where the electrical programmed inside the machine is located. 515 width, 40 long, and 40 here health.
In this video, you can see how the machine works. First, the container must be placed in the initial position of the base. Immediately, the conveyor belt will be activated and will move the container to the mixing stage. When the container reaches the second position, the piston will lower the lid, and then the whipping of the cream will begin. Once of the process is finished, the piston will rise again and the serum drench stage will begin, and this stage the butter is separated from the whey. Finally, the conveyor belt will be activated again but in the opposite direction, and the machine will reach the initial position where the use can remove the butter.
The subheads that influence in this project are industrial electricity. In this matter, we obtain the necessary knowledge for the elaboration of the electrical circuit that consists of the wiring and some standards.
English. Thanks to this subject, we obtain the knowledge to develop our linguistic skills and with it handle more complicated components.
Time management. With the knowledge we obtained through the subject, it was very easy to be able to organize ourselves in terms of the established times, making this project as efficient as possible.
Motor control. This method helped us to improve the aesthetics for your electromechanical diagrams. This gave a better appearance thanks to software dedicated to this purpose.
Mechanics for automation. According to the teachings transmitted by our teacher, it was possible to increase the necessary mechanisms for greater efficiency in terms of our original design.
Computer aided design. With the approach given by the subject, we were able to modify our initial design, optimizing recurse and minimizing the loss of material.
Finally, planning and work organization. We were able to make a more adequate organization by being more efficient and with this diving the work so that everyone could do it correctly.
Okay. As we can see in our integrator, we can say that it was a great help since it can give us a small perspective regarding the world of work since we were able to face various changes. Personally, as well as professionally doing that with this project. We use what we have seen in the class, learning to work on team and the same way of elaborating some electrical circuits that were very useful in the simulation of this project, which allows us to learn more about mechatronic components.
Um, that's all from us. We appreciate your time. Thank you very much, teacher.